Welcome back to my channel. My name is Milkshake Matty, and here we talk about everything crypto. And today we're going to be talking about the Pi Network and XRP. And in particular, the Pi Network mining rate has been reduced for everybody and what that means for you. And also XRP. There's a new ETF and it launches today. What does that mean for the price? Let's get into it. Nothing I do here is financial advice. Please seek your own financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on the internet with a beard talking to you about what I see and do. Nothing here is financial advice. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button because 85% of you that watch me are not subscribed. So please hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button. I want to get 500 likes today. We got 400 and something likes yesterday on a video. Let's see if we can get 500 likes because that would just be amazing. And if you hit the bell button, it means you're going to be first to know the next time I do a live stream or the next time I launch a video. So hit the bell button as well. We've been playing a game in the comments of all my previous videos for the last week. We've been seeing where in the world you people are coming from, and it's been amazing me. We've been covering all the continents, all of them. But I've realised, I've been saying we're covering all the continents, but there's one missing, Antarctica. We haven't covered Antarctica. So if anybody's from Antarctica, whack it in the comments. But let me know which country in the world that you're coming from. Put it in the comments. And also let me know how you discovered me. Was it TikTok? Was it YouTube? How did you find me? Let me know in the comments. Before we get into the video, I just want to say thank you to everybody because something magical happened yesterday. Yesterday, I reached the threshold to become a YouTube partner, which basically means I get paid to make videos on YouTube. It's fantastic. It's what I've always wanted. And we've done it in under 6 weeks. So thank you to every single one of you that's been watching and every single one of you that's subscribed, because without you watching, it wouldn't have happened. As of yesterday, the super chat and the super thanks all went live. It's something that YouTube do automatically for creators. And underneath every single video, there's a button that says thanks. And yesterday, somebody pushed it and I couldn't believe it. Honestly, I was expecting, if I did get anything at all, if I was lucky enough to get any kind of thanks and people donate towards the channel, that maybe they'd put enough to buy me a coffee or maybe buy me a beer. But somebody donated $78 yesterday. Unbelievable. So I just wanted to give them a shout out. I mean, their name is HPMC7426. And they've literally donated $78. And I really appreciate it. Honestly, I do. Just so that you guys know, every single penny of the money that comes from the super chats or the super thanks is going to go towards me getting a new camera, because I've got a lovely microphone, I've got a good laptop, but I don't have a camera. I use my cell phone, or if you're in England, a mobile telephone, and that's the camera that I use. That's what I'm recording on right now. So all the money that I collect, I want to save up and get a really, really good camera so I can take this channel to the next level. So for that first person that donated, honestly, I really appreciate it. You didn't have to donate so much, but honestly, I appreciate it. Thank you. I think he might have set the bar a bit high though, because let's be honest, I'm not going to be getting $78 from everybody, am I? So listen, I appreciate it. Even if somebody sent me a couple of pounds, I'd be really, really appreciative. But listen, to that dude that sent me $78 for appreciating my work, thank you. We are still smack bang in the turmoil of tariffs and market crashes. We're right smack bang in the middle of it. However, I think crypto has fared relatively well compared to what some experts were predicting was going to happen. So I'm really happy with the positions that we're in right now. Yesterday, I added to my positions on XRP. On Sunday night, I added to my Bitcoin position. So what did you do? Did you hold tight, or have you been adding to your positions? Everybody's got to make their own decisions. Those were the decisions that I made looking at the information that was in front of me. But on the back of us faring really well, there's some news that's come out for XRP, and it is a futures ETF launches today. We've been waiting a long time for one of these to actually land. There's been a lot of legal battles that's been going on with the SEC, and the SEC were very clear. They couldn't do any spot ETFs until a futures ETF had been launched, and today's that day. So it's going to be launched today. Let's go and look at it. So this is from crypto.news, and what we've got here is the information that they've written up. So let's have a read of it. So the investment company advisors LLC is set to launch its first ever leveraged XRP exchange traded fund in the US, following approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission. That's the SEC. The fund, called the Teutrium 2 times long daily XRP ETF, will be trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker XXRP on Tuesday the 8th, which is today. And this was reported by Bloomberg. The fund is designed to deliver twice the daily return of XRP by using swap agreements. So for those of you that don't understand leverage trading, you can pick your leverage that you're going to get back. But it does mean there's a liquidation point. They're doing a very low leverage at two times. So basically, in layman's terms, if XRP went up by 10 cents and they're on a 2 times long, you're actually earning 20 cents commission. Or if it went up by $1, then you're going to earn $2 worth of profits. This is great news for XRP because it means they've broken the threshold and got the first one out the door, and more will follow now. And it also means it opens the door for the spot ETFs as well. I'm really bullish on XRP. I love XRP. I added to a significant amount to my XRP portfolio yesterday alone. So I'm really excited for what's going to happen. But remember, for XRP price to go up, we need the whole market to move, especially Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that Bitcoin price. As soon as Bitcoin starts heading towards $95,000, $100,000 again, you're going to see XRP rally in a big way. That's my opinion. That's what I think is going to happen. Time will tell, and we'll see what happens. Now, moving onto the Pi network. It's been an interesting month. It's been ugly. It's been horrible. There's been negative news. We've seen huge price drops. However, over the last 48 to 36 hours, when the majority of the market has been dropping massively, actually, when you look at the charts for Pi network, yes, they've gone down, they've gone up, they've gone down, but actually it's gone kind of sideways. If you zoom out a bit, it's gone sideways. So it's fared pretty well over the last 48 to 36 hours compared to other cryptocurrencies. And I think we should be happy with that. But looking at some news on Pi now, I found this. So this is from Crypto Times, and they are explaining the exact percentages that the Pi network mining rate has dropped for everybody. Now, I knew there was a drop planned and written into the algorithm, but I wasn't actually sure, and I didn't know the exact percentages, and I certainly didn't know it was 38%. So let's go and look at this now. So in early January, they're saying that they covered the rate decrease from 0.00047. Now it's dropped to 0.0029 pi per hour, making it approximately a 38% decline. The adjustment aligns with Pi network strategies to decrease the mining rates as the user base expands, aiming to enhance the cryptocurrency's scarcity and potential value over time. For miners, this means that earning Pi has become more challenging, emphasizing the importance of consistent participation and the utilization of available bonuses to optimize rewards. The Pi network community is encouraged to maintain their mining activities diligently to maximize their Pi earning under the new conditions. The long and short of that is, all of us have had our Pi mining rate reduced. Now, I noticed that mine had gone down because I could see that the amount of people mining was around normal for me, yet the mining rate was lower. And actually, I'm going to be honest, guys, I hadn't spotted that the mining rate would actually gone down until I read this article. Now, I knew it was planned. I'd just forgotten. So this goes again to what I'm saying about communication from the core team. This should have been communicated better, because I wonder how many people were looking at their mining rate going down and just had no idea why. They didn't know why. They weren't sure. Better communication is needed all round from the Pi core team. However, we need to be realistic. We are getting free cryptocurrency for pushing a button once a day. I think that's a fantastic deal. And for those of you who are watching this video and you're not mining Pi network yet, it's not too late. You can still get in. All you've got to do is get your smartphone or your cell phone, if you call it that in the country that you're from. Go to the app store on your phone, whether that's iOS or Apple, or whether it's Android. Go and download the Pi network app, spelled P-I network. Go and download that. Then it'll take you about 30 seconds to register. There'll also be a referral box. So they're asking you who referred you. You need a referral name to get into the gang. You can use me, Milkshake Matty, no spaces, all one word. And then you'll join my Pi mining gang. And two things are going to happen. You'll get a 25% increase on your mining rate for being in my gang. And I also get the same increase for you joining my gang. So we both get exactly the same. And if you want to increase your rate even more, you invite more people. That is the way the network works. But you don't have to. You can just literally join the gang, put Milkshake Matty in. You'll get a 25% increase on your mining rate. And you can just do it on your own should you want to. However, to maximize it, invite more people. Now you know what to do. Go and get your phone. Go and do it now. I just wanted to share some really good news with you, because if you look here, look, That is the top 100 cryptos by market cap, and it's a sea of green over the last 24 hours. This is really, really good news, guys, and it means potentially maybe we did see the bottom. It's hard to tell. We're not quite sure, but it's looking good to me. Overall, I'm feeling positive today. I think there is some good things happening with the crypto market. Yes, there's uncertainty because of what's going on in America, but you know what? It will pass. I don't know how ugly it's going to get before it passes, but it will pass. It will end at some point. So just hold tight. Don't panic. And whatever you do, unless you are desperate for that money, do not sell your crypto at a loss unless you absolutely have to. So many people on my social media yesterday in the comments, especially on TikTok, were putting in the comments that they've had enough. They're getting out. They're selling at a loss. My advice is relax. Relax. Because things go in cycles and things will go back up at some point. And when they do, you'll be kicking yourself that you sold at the bottom. So just relax a little bit, guys. See if you could, if watching those charts is boggling your head a little bit, step away. Stop doing it. Maybe stop looking at content that's making you feel that way. That's my advice to you if you're feeling that way. But for everybody else, enjoy the ride because this is exciting because you can make money on the way up and make money on the way down. So thank you very much for watching. My name's been Milkshake May. I appreciate every single one of you that's tuned in. And honestly, to that guy that donated via the super thanks, I really appreciate you, man. Thank you. For everybody else, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and see if we can get the likes over 500. I've never had 500 likes in a video. If we can get one today, I'll be so happy. But I'll be seeing you on the next video.